Today is April 25th, 2020. Very good site, world meter info coronavirus. Today is 2,899,742,000 people got coronavirus and over 200,000 is die. Go below, it's like every country have different statistics. Example, in USA 946,454 people got coronavirus in just one day. 222 people got coronavirus, new cases, and 1,262 people die. And if you go click here in the US country, any country you can choose, you can see by state where and how many. We don't have all the information yet, and it can be different. It can get more people sick or die, and then we just have to follow. Yeah, it's very sad. Well, thank you for looking, be safe, be healthy. Thank you for looking, good luck.